Well, what a beautiful day. Isn't it, right, guys? Why isn't anyone saying anything? Yeah, I know what we're gonna say. And this kitty's in the way. Sorry about that, kitty. As I was saying, hiccup! Guys, I think I have the hiccup. Hiccup! 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 Did you just hiccup? I think we need to call a doctor. No, it's okay. Well, I mean, we can try some stuff if you think about it. Basically we can. Joining us all to the American race. Bun, dun, dun, dun. Dude, stop. I have the hiccup. So let's move on. Alright, for my first trick on you, Bunny, I'm gonna make you laugh. Already hiccup? Okay, so let me just skippity jaw. No, wait, that's cringe. Hey, Bunny. Ew, it smells like poopy down here. That's kind of funny. Hiccup! Hey, man, that didn't work. I have actually got to the next trick. I'm gonna slither like a little snake. Slither. Alrighty, well, time to go. Alrighty, for my next trick, we will, oh yeah, I'm gonna smack you with a pillow. Wait, what? Okay, then look at the pillow. It's banging time. Okay. Oh, hiccup. Here. How did that work? I don't know. Hiccup. No, it didn't work. Well, but I've tried all I can. Foxy, it's your turn. One more try for good luck. We're done. Let's sit on it. You know what? Just sit on it. 3 minutes later. Well, I think it looked funny, okay? No, I'm not okay. Well, I tried. Foxy, it's your turn. Alrighty, Bonnie. For our last trick, we're gonna use a water bottle. Dun dun dun. Seriously, you're not joking with me. A water bottle. Am I just gonna drink it and you think that would work? Yeah, if you just drink it, so drink it. Alrighty. Oh, turn it on. Go. Hiccup! Oh man, it didn't work. Well, I've tried all we could. Well, we tried all we could. Time to go. Whee! Well, Bonnie, we've tried all we could, but nothing could work. Well, what else can work? Absolutely nothing, so we're sorry, Barney. Well, nothing can work. It just has to go away. Oh man, I'm gonna have to live with that forever. No, hey fools, how's it going? Shut up. Oh, hey, Sheriff Freddy. Hey, Sheriff Freddy. Hey, Sheriff Freddy. Oh, hello. Ah, fool, you got the hiccups? We tried all we could, but we couldn't fix it. Ah, don't worry, fool. I got something to fix with it. Oh. Sorry about that, fool. How about we try this? My gun. Wait, what? And fool, I think that did the trick. Now let's wait. Dude, nothing is happening. Hey guys, I feel a little bit better. What the?